character. I don't want my character to be a robot. Damn it. Why is there so many more women than men? I want him. And you know what? I'll just keep the robot. Bam, man. Already. Mods to download. You should all tell me there is mods in here. Said smart pistol. Dino. Mod manager. It's the Boeing 737, not 737. That's the same exact thing. Alrighty, so give me suggestions on what to play next. And I do not like this door. Said I don't like the door. Don't mind me. Don't mind, okay? It's all part of the plan, my master plan. You may be asking yourself, what is that plan? I'll show you. Oh no, I'm stuck. You know what? Let's just free myself by... I'm dead! Oh god, I died! Ah! My master plan is coming to plan. Minigun. My master plan is to disconnect the entire plane. Yeah, no way. What the fuck? My cockpit. Dude. Somebody broke my cockpit. How dare they? Telekinesis, telekinesis, telekinesis. I didn't freeze it in time. Now I'm stuck. Falling. I'm falling from the sky. Oh dear. Oh no, 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 not again. No! Alright, let's go to a new map. The World Trade Center. Alrighty, comment if you want to see that map or the back rooms. Comment if you want to see the World Trade Center. Oh no, I need to... I'll just edit this out of the video later. What happened? I zoned out there for a second. Sorry about that. What's in the house? Are you welcome to my new crib? Did I just... Where are we? Are we in the sky? No. I have to destroy the foundation for that. Because it's attached to the ground. And it better stop being attached to the ground. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? That's better. Yo guys, welcome to my new crib. I'm just on the roof right now. So, somebody said they can use telekinesis. Oh! You son of a gun. Where's it going? No. This game is fun and goofy and weird all at the same exact time. Alright, leave comments. What would you rather more, Subnautica or Terraria? Team on litter, Fargo's being mod. Just for you guys. Why did I pick the Boeing 707? 737, not 707. It's not 730 though, is it? No, it's not. It's 650. I hate this. Huh, that works. Oh, wait, that's on fire. You know what? Like I said earlier, I don't want this chunk. Oh no, I'm dying again. Man, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. See, I don't want that chunk like this. I want it to be gone. Gone in an instant. Bye-bye, fire zone. Oh! Oh no. Uh-oh. Extinguish. Uh-oh. It's out of hand. You know what? I gotta get into the lower bits. I gotta get... No! I will get my revenge! Wait, heed my warnings, I was supposed to say, but I'm not just on my body to lie. We should be... Ah! We should have been safe, but I'm apparently not. That's all I suppose. No, please, I'm sorry. What did I ever do to you? I'm sorry. Why? Alrighty, let's do the back rooms. I would like to know clip out, please. I would like to know clip out of the back rooms. Hold on just a second. Check out the Xbox app real quick. I gotta tell my friend something. Not him. He's an asshole. Okay, back to teardown. Alrighty, back to trying to no clip. Let's find a way out of here. Let me out! Let me out! Oh, this place is eerie, creepy, but I don't give a damn because I'm in teardown. Speaking of eerie and creepy, I don't like horror games. If you want me to see me scream and yell and be terrified, hit that like goal of 30 likes. I'm making it high so nobody can make me scared. It's probably gonna get that. Alrighty, I will give you a week to get. Let me think. I will give you a week to give you 60 likes. 60 or 30 for a week, and I will play a horror game. I don't have that many, but what the fuck? I'm already scared, and this is teardown. Stop making that noise. You know what? It'll look better with World Trade Center's 15 to 30. World Trade Center's 15 likes and Terraria is 10. Subnautica will be 40. Alright, let me set some like goals. If you want to see Terraria, give me 20. If you want to see a horror game, give me 60. If you want to see Subnautica, give me 30. And if you want me on Terraria to make a new world, give me 5. You know what? No. Like goals are 3 things. Terraria with a new world, and Fargo Souls for 10. 20 for the horror game, and Subnautica will be 30. How about that? Anyways, that's probably gonna be it for the video. This was fun doing, so goodbye. Yep.